afternoon and welcome to the Smallwood Workshop. This afternoon I haven't got a project video for you because I've been completing two orders, a chopping board and a console side table. I didn't think to video those. So what I'm going to do now is going to give you a quick tour of my workshop. The doors again, quick round, same usual stuff on the doors, some more clamps, table saw with a mitre saw. What I've done is there's a bit of glare in here, took the side table off on the other side of the table to give me a bit more room. Router table the same, underneath the workbench, thickness planer, drill, driver, sander, router and circular saw. On top of the workbench we have other clamps, boxes of router bits, pocket hole jig and drill bits, screws, as you can see, finishers. My new toy, my scroll saw. There is a video of me unpacking that on my channel if you care to go and have a look. Tool wall, extension of my tool wall, cheap grinder, Lanisher, parts cabinet, my drill press, second workbench, junk underneath the workbench, sander, screws and Dremel. Great dovetail saw by Veritas. That is cabinet scrapers, pack of 3. Comes in a nice suede leather pouch. New blades to put on my planer, the tightness thickness planer, which I haven't done yet. Most important tool in the shop, cup of tea. And that's a new acquisition. I've got a new bench vise. I've had it for a couple of weeks now. It's an Axminster Trade Series. I should really do a review on it, and I will do at some point. Fantastic, 7-inch, quick release, cast, brilliant. Okay, that's about it. It's not a very big workshop. Oh, still got my chair. There you go, that was a bit of a whistle stop tour of my little workshop. Hope you enjoyed it. If you liked it, give it a like. Please subscribe to my channel and please share it. I'm going to nip off and finish my cup of tea, and I'll see you next time on the Smallwood Workshop.